need to iron this shirt. Hold on a second, just chill right there. You good? Cool, I'll be right back. But you know what? A storm decided to get in my way. I'm not talking about one of those storms in life that you have to go through, like, you know, roommates, ex-girlfriends, ex-roommates, girlfriends. I'm talking about a real, honest-to-goodness storm. The biggest storm of the year just passed through here, okay? You know what? And I took that storm head on, son. I was ready to go, ready to roll them. I'm up early. I'm up very early. 0500, homie. That's 5 in the morning. For those of you who don't speak Spanish or military, to tell you guys exactly how it went, to show you exactly how a prince handles storms, okay? Right? We're going to get down to it. I'm going to show you how we do this. What's up? Oh my goodness, what's up? It's me, Prince Christian. Look, I live in the South, okay? I'm down here in one of those southern states. It's one of those Carolinas. The southernmost Carolina. I'm in that one. Look, today, supposedly, there's supposed to be some sort of a big major storm coming through. It was supposed to be here this morning, but he hasn't shown up. I don't know where he is, but he's scared. I know what it is. He's scared. And you know what? All day today, he ain't gonna show up. Watch, I'm gonna prove it to you. They canceled school for nothing. They canceled Planet Fitness for nothing. And they killed my dude Boo Boo for nothing. So bring it, Storm. I'm gonna be looking out for you all day. Posting up on the block. Hoping you don't get shot now. Yes, I'm a rioter. Yeah. I'm a soul survivor. Let's go, Storm. What are you doing? Nala. I'm trying to be gangster. You can't be gangster. You can't be gangster when you... Okay. You're so cute. For 20 years now, okay? Since I was 8. We've had a couple big storms, snowstorms. We had a few things come through. And you know what? This is not bad, okay? You South Carolina people should be used to this. Let me run some errands real quick. Middle of hour 2. No storm yet. A little bit of rain. But you know what? I ain't afraid of that. You know, it's about 32 degrees. It's not even, it's freezing, but it's not freezing. You know what I mean? Like, it's, you know what I mean. You know, we good, though. You know, bring it, storm. Suppose the storm is obviously so bad that I could go to Cookout and come to Walmart. Ain't nothing going on out here. There's no story. There's nothing to see. Move on. What do you think I'm talking about? I'm talking about the storm of the century, apparently. Down here in South Carolina. I don't know what you're doing. Hour number 4. All right, we got a little sleet on the ground, a little ice on the roads, but you know what? I ain't fretting it. Still ain't here. Still ain't showing up, bro. Oh, man. I found him. Here we are. Let's go. I ain't scared. I'm never scared. All right, hour number 3. We're still going strong. It's just a little bit windy, maybe a little bit of rain. There's no sign of this magical storm, okay? I mean, come on. You're gonna make all this noise. You're gonna upset Facebook. You're gonna mess up YouTube just for some rain and some wind and a little bit of chill. Bruh, I ain't got no chill and I don't make this much noise. Come on, Storm, where you at? Where you at? I'm waiting, bruh. Come on! Yeah! I'm not a big fan of driving in the snow, but if I got to, I will. I mean, the storm ain't as bad as they said it was gonna be. Where you at, bruh? Stupid storm. It's about hour 6 and a half. Hey, yo, ain't nothing happening. There's a little bit of snow on the ground, but you know, we good. I mean, I'm good. Good. Just slow. Oh god. Pull in nice and smooth here. I'm telling you, the storm was no big deal. talking about a storm. It snowed a little bit. Some flurries. We're good to go. Oh! Whew. Happy to be home. Look, I'm safe, man. I'm good to go. Okay, let's see if we can get out. Oh, the door's frozen shut. Okay, Storm. All right, I got you, fam. I got you. All right? You think you're playing with me, man? I'm a G. I'm a player. I got it. I'm good. Oh, gosh. Hour 7. And we still don't look. Oh, God. Oh, my Lord. Yo, that storm is coming through here acting like it was gonna be Hulk Hogan, brother. It was gonna be The Rock, like it was just gonna bring it. Hey, it was like John Cena. I couldn't see it. I was prepared. It's the fight of my life. I'm gonna name it. I'm just gonna name it. You know what I'm gonna name it? I'm gonna name it the Punk Made Storm. That's right, Punk Made Storm. 3 names. That's how punk it is. Give it 3 names, not just one. First name, Punk. Middle name, Made. Last name, Storm. Punk Made Storm. Take that as a lesson, guys, okay? We don't know everything. When the meteorologists just tell you to do something, listen to them. They might not always be right, but most of the time, when we're not listening to what people are telling us, we're never right. So I'd rather go with the people that are almost never right than the people that are always never right, all right? So, hey, look, I want you guys to be on these adventures with me. I want you to come with me and see what life can be like when you're living it like a prince. I'll see you guys next time. It is hot in here. Nala, you need to turn the thermostat down. You're wasting all this electricity, wasting all this money. Doesn't matter how cute you are. Cute doesn't pay the bills, girl.